Hey guys, Samsung has just unpacked the new Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus flagship due in Barcelona. The new devices are helming Samsung's 2018 smartphone portfolio with new hardware but old looks. Both S9 and S9 Plus retain the familiar glass sandwich design with waterproofing, aluminum frame, curved Gorilla glasses, and everything. Samsung has trimmed the screen bezels a bit and thus both phones have insignificantly smaller footprints than their respective predecessor. The minor changes in the design include a well-hidden scanner, a properly placed fingerprint reader, and a change wheel for the bottom speaker. The Infinity Super AMOLED screen are here to stay, both with quad HD resolution. The Galaxy S9 has a 5.8-inch big screen, while the Galaxy S9 Plus opts for a 6.2-inch unit, just like last year. Samsung promises even deeper blacks than before, whatever that means for an OLED screen. Both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will run on the latest Exynos 9810 everywhere. The latest Qualcomm chipset, Snapdragon 845, will power the Duo in North America and in China. It has an octa-core Cryo 385 processor and 630 GPU and the same RAM 4GB for the S9 and 6GB for the S9 Plus. The camera is where the new Galaxies have seen the biggest leap. The 12-megapixel main camera on both phones is now capable of variable aperture. You can choose between f1.5 and f2.4. There is optical image stabilization and dual pixel phase detect autofocus. Unfortunately, the LED flash is staying single for another year. The selfie shooter is borrowed straight from the S8 and 8-megapixel one with f1.7 lens and autofocus. The Galaxy S9 Plus is exclusively getting a secondary telephoto camera, the same as on the Note 8. It's a 12-megapixel sensor with f2.4 lens, optical image stabilization, and dual pixel. Both smartphones support 4K at 60 frames capturing in the new HEVC format, as well as 720 pixel slow motion recording at 960 frames per second, just like the most recent Sony's. One major difference between the Xperia's and the Galaxy S9 smartphone is the automatic event detection. No more hit and misses of those precious moments. The slow-mo has lesser cool time too. Now it's just 2 seconds. And finally, Samsung offers easy editing of those clips including one-click GIF export. Finally, both Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus come with a premium 8K by Harman stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support. Samsung says those are 40% louder over the S8 speaker. The S9 Duo runs on Android Oreo with the latest Grace UX. There is new support of AR emojis, improved knocks, and intelligent scan security, making use of the iris scanner and face unlock at the same time. The batteries of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are the same as on the S8 and S8 Plus. No updates here. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will launch next month in midnight black, coral blue, titanium gray, and lilac purple. Pricing, promotions, and exact availability is yet to be announced. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.